Do you want to improve your art skills? Do you want to unleash your creativity? A 30-day art challenge is a great way to explore your creativity and make some new friends in the process. The idea is simple. You start on the first day of the month and create something every day for the rest of the month.
But completing any sort of challenge is hard. Some of the challenges are sticking to a daily routine, lack of dedication and commitment. You may struggle with self-doubt or lack of confidence. What if there was a way to increase confidence, improve time management skills, and improve creativity? That's why I've put together a quick guide with 5 very useful tips which will help you complete a 30-day art challenge with peace of mind. These tips can be applied to any art challenge depending on your interest, including drawing, painting, photography, writing, and mixed media. If you are interested to get this PDF, click on the link in the description below and download it right away. It's absolutely free. Inside this guide, you'll learn what's a 30-day art challenge, benefits of doing art challenges, five tips on completing a 30-day art challenge, and a Notion digital planner to document your journey. I have also provided the steps to use this digital planner. Documenting your 30-day art challenge in a planner can help you stay organized, focused, and motivated as you work towards your goals. The planner is in PDF format that can be edited to write your goals or prompts, but you can also take a print of it and stick to your workstation.
Remember to download the first link in the description below to get an access to the PDF template. Please let me know in the comments below if you downloaded the PDF template and what you think of the digital planner. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you soon.